Hello everybody, I want to show you this video a nice tool at the Huawei P10. So there's a simple mode, so if you cannot read well or something like this, or if it's too much on the desktop for you, then there's something to put just big buttons and so on. Okay, for that we have to go to the settings. You can use the app, or otherwise you can use also this icon. This icon here is also for the settings. And then we have to scroll down until advanced settings. And then there's the point simple mode, and we need that simple mode, and as the name says already, it is to make it more simple. So we have to apply for it. And now the phone is changing into the simple mode. And as you can see, we have big buttons, big text, and yeah, you can add here the most important apps you want to have. Normally the dialer, the messaging, the contacts and the camera is always fixed. If you want to change it, you can go maybe on music, hold it a bit with your finger, and now you can remove here the music or the gallery, and then if you want to add something, you can here go on the plus to add a new app, or you can add also someone from your contacts. In case you have, maybe you call often your mother or something like this, you can put your mother there, or a friend. Yeah, so it's much more simple, so you don't have to go to the contacts first, so you just press that button and you can call the person. Or you can have also an app. Maybe let us take WhatsApp. So now we have WhatsApp here, and of course you can also add things on other sites and also on a third page. Okay, if you're ready, you go on done, and then it's ready, and we have WhatsApp now on our starting page. Okay, if you say, okay, I'm ready for the next step, I want to have it a bit, I need more apps and so on, then you go, if you want to exit this simple mode, then you go on the settings. You have it basically on the second page. Then go on more settings. So then you go to advanced settings. So as you can see, the same way like before. And now to the simple mode. And now we go here on exit, and everything is the same now. So if you do the simple mode, nothing will erased from your phone, so it's still the same, and yeah, you can just do it and try it if you feel better with that mode. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video, and may I give you something new with this video for your phone, because the P10 and the P10 Lite are pretty good phones. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, also you can have a look for one of my other videos. I did some for the P10 and P10 Lite. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And maybe until next time. Ciao.